Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by wealthbuildershq.com. This update is for Tuesday, November 11, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Keep in mind as we get started that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so we're going to start off with the S&P 500. We had a great ping pong match today between the two fib lines, the 382 and the 236. Great move in there. We are closed about 15 minutes ago or so. So we're sitting in a bullish bias right now. I like the upside best. So we're going to go with the blue pen first. Blue is always the upside for us. Small move up, retest, bounce. Right? That's what I want to see happening with the market. Actually, this is the market. That's what I want to see happening tomorrow, but we could get the move down. So I've got plenty of opportunities in both directions. Now for our candidates, that's what we're using blue and red. Let's go ahead and bring that out a little bit. Man, what a move. We got a great bullish thrusting pattern going on right here after that gap, which I believe was an earnings gap for them, for D-Dog. Let's see. So we don't need a fib in there. We're good. What about up above? 27. We need to split this level in half here. Right? So we're going to add in a negative 809. Split that in half. Okay. So we're going to go with the bullish side first. I love the pattern it's portraying right now. Get above that $200.58, retest and bounce. I'm going to take the trade off of the bounce. Stop down below the $200.58. Resistance is at 214. My target's going to be about 213. 212, somewhere in between that range. On the downside, pull back, retest, fail. We'll take the trade off of the fail, stop on the other side of 200. If support's at 184, my target's going to be about 185, 186, somewhere in between there. Right? So nice little setup there right now on D-Dog. ELF, E-L-F. Let's unscrunch so we can see the entire fib. Okay, I like it. A lot, actually. So lower price stock right here. But this puppy moves. So I like the downside movement better. So push up towards that 80.50, fail, drop. We're going to take the trade off of the 80.50. We're going to put our stop on the other side of 80.50. If support's at 68.5, my target's going to be about 69.5, 70, somewhere around there. Right? For the upside, break above, retest, and bounce. For the upside, take the bounce, the trade off of the bounce, stop on the other side right there. If resistance is at 90, my target, that's an R, not a B. My target is going to be 89. So, I mean, get in here at 82, get out at 89, you got a $7 move. And it can move it. It's got a fibit of 17.5, which means it moves almost $8, $9 a day. And then TECL. All right, good little break there. Oh, I like it a lot. Look at that. We're going to go with the upside first. So give me a pullback towards that fib, the 136.66, a bounce. Doesn't have to get all the way down. I'm going to take the trade as it bounces off of the fib line. Stop on the other side of 136.66. In the video, in the members area, if you are a member, it is free, of Trade with Rob. There's an hour-and-a-half long video on how to set this up, stops, targets, all of that inside of there. Resistance is at 145. My target here is going to be 144. For my downside, drop, retest, fail. Take the trade off to 136.66. Stop on the other side of it. Support's about 129. My target's going to be about 130. Still plenty of room to the upside or downside on this one. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So again, if you're interested in getting all of the candidates, because right now I gave you 3, today we have 25. So there's still 22 more candidates that you're not seeing. If you'd like to get access to all of them going forward, shoot us a message over at, or go to tradewithrob.com. Message us there that you're interested. Sign up for that. It is free. You'll get an email every day that says, hey, here's all the candidates that Rob's got on his list today, including charts with all the lines drawn on them, so you know exactly where to set them up, even if I'm not looking at that one today live. So with that, have a great rest of your day. We'll see you all at our next update. Bye for now.